What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Belgium by Lil Peep. I need to chill. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell. That way you never miss a new tutorial. I'll just punch you in the face. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. So if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, this song is very simple. I'm going to show you a few different guitar parts for it, but the main guitar part just repeats throughout the entire thing. You can just play this throughout the entire song. It's going to be, you're going to be in drop D tuning, drop D standard tuning, which is everything is the same except your low E is tuned to a D note. So it's a D, A, D, G, B, E. Now the first chord you're just gonna be using one finger to bar two of these chords, and the last chord is just open. The first one is just 7 on D, A, and D. Just use one finger. You're only playing those 3 strings, D, A, D, and it's on 7. Then the next one is 3. Same way, you're just barring the 3 strings, 1, 2, 3, and then open. And you're just playing those 3 strings open. Once you get those chords down, I'll show you the strumming pattern. There's 2 different ways you can do this. The easiest one is just going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down, down. That's the easiest strumming pattern to use. If you want, I like to use a down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. So you're doing that extra down before you switch. You're doing an extra down on the chord, and then a quick switch to up on the next chord. So it looks like down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down, down. So I'll do that one more time slowly. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Like I said, that is the main chord progression throughout the entire song. If you want, you can even play that in standard tuning and just play A minor, F, sorry I'm still in drop D, F, and then D minor, the same exact way, same exact strumming patterns. Those are your regular chords. So if you just want to play, you don't even have to tune down to drop D if you don't want to. You can just play A minor, F, so you can do that as well as if you want to, if you just want to play the regular chords. Now there is a little picking pattern that I heard throughout the song. All they're doing, it's very simple. You're just doing 7 on the low D string. You're doing 7 on the A string, and you're doing 5 on the D string, and you're just picking them one time each. And then you're waiting, and then you're just taking everything off except that index finger, and then picking the same exact way. So and now finally, in the very beginning of the song, it sounds like they're holding onto the G string on the 5th fret when they go to the open note. That's what it sounds like in the very beginning. It doesn't do that throughout the entire song, but I just wanted to kind of cover that in case you guys wanted to know what that little note was there. It sounds like they're just holding the 5th fret on the G string when they go to the open D chord. So it's like, there you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.